Hello guys, my name is Pravi Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today we can going to discuss about the GMB reviews. If you want to increase your GMB reviews, are the your other website reviews, kind of other listing reviews. If you want to increase kind of Apple and your listing reviews, if you want to increase, then what is the method you guys have to generate a reviews? Then how you guys can increase your reviews count with your GMB accounts? Okay, so suppose that. I can before they started, I wanted to request you with one thing, guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys can understand and you guys can make something helpful from your side if you want to do. Okay, so now we can start. So firstly, you guys have to create a one sheet where you guys can mention your GMB locations, so you guys can see these are our specific GMB location listing locations. Okay, so there I have mentioned. Okay, so there I have mentioned which location is this listing. Okay, and this is a review content. Okay, and you guys can see it's approval status and the review count status. Okay, and these are the targeted keyword for this specific location. Okay, so suppose that if I want to generate a review comment for my Surrey location. Okay, so supposedly my businesses is traffic management. Okay, suppose that I consider my business, but you guys have to consider your business and you guys can pick and you guys can follow the same method for the review comment generation. Okay, if you want to generate a review content, a quality review comments. Okay, so I can going to copy my keyword, the traffic management company in Surrey, and you guys can simply go to the Google search box and where you guys can paste it. Then you guys can try to, yeah, so then you guys can see these are the GMB listings. Okay, so you guys have to click for the more places. Then after that you guys can see if any businesses are having good reviews comments count. So you guys have to click, this website are having 42 reviews, so we can go simply review section and there we guys can. So all the websites, all are the negative reviews I am getting for this. So we can try to go with another one. So they having around 134 GMB reviews. So you guys can see our newly assigned property management control. Suppose that traffic CONTR control. So road construction 35. Okay, so you guys can simply go to the review section and where you guys can, so you guys can see best company to work, TCP best experience. Okay, so you guys have to open your notepad or the your any word file. Okay, then you guys can copy the review comments. Okay, I can going to copy the review comments. I can going to copy 2 to 3 4 to 5 reviews. Well experienced and humble team. Okay, this is a good comment, we can going to copy. Yeah, so then you guys can see the company services excellent. Okay, this is a good comment. So we have copied 3 of 1 recommended. These guys are in my site management. Okay, yeah, so we have copied total 4 GMB reviews comments, so we can going to filter from these reviews. Okay, so well experienced and humble team services are excellent. We have the best people to work for them. They have well experienced team. This company services excellent. This company provide excellent services in road or construction site traffic management by allocating nice experienced workers on site. So this is a good line, so you guys have to copy, then you guys have to filter for the next line, and we can going to generate a next line. So they have the best people work for them. They are also team work and very a polite man that work for the team. Yeah, It's line a considerable, so we can going to paste it for the next. And this growing businesses entire, okay, TCP, it's not useful for us, so we can remove. I recommend this guys to my site, and they were impressed with the quality of their work. Whole team is a skilled professional, no doubt, saying that they were doing the how it get done. Yeah, this line is good, so we can going to copy, and we can going to add a last line. All the guys are good, have works in heavy traffic, would recommend for. So keep up good work, 4-way traffic. Okay, awful communication skills are flaggers to traffic, would recommend 4-way traffic to public. So this is a, what is the company name? 4-way. Okay, and you guys have to copy the next line. Awful communication skills as a flagger to the traffic, would recommend. There you guys have to mention your company name or a brand name. So our company name is Traffic, Glen Traffic to the public. Oh, sorry, just a wait. 4-way traffic control to the public. Keep up the good work, guys. So you guys can see we have generated a review comment, and I can going to paste it for the my next. So you guys can see these are our list, so where we can going to generate our review comment, then we can uh, schedule our review comment, then after that we can try to post our review comment with the help of dummy Gmail ID, with the help of our clients, with the help of our which person are located for the specific location, for the we can try to reach out the person, then we can post this review comment, and you then we can ask for the our team members are the clients, so you guys have to post this review comment easily. So these methods is going to make it easier to you guys can generate quality review comment for your businesses. So you guys can see we can going to generate read again. This company provide excellent services in road or construction sites traffic management by allocating nice experienced workers on site. They have best people working for them. They are also team workers and have a very polite man that works for them. Okay, so you guys can see what we have do. We have copied total we have copied a multiple reviews comment. Okay, you guys can see we have copied multiple reviews comment, then we can going to uh, filter one which line are very interesting. So you guys have to copy 5 to 6 review comment, where you guys can generate a fresh review comment with the help of your these kind of reviews. So you guys have to do a smart work, then you guys can generate a review comment. Okay, once you guys can generate review comment, what you guys have to do. So suppose that we are also following the one method, so we can generate a dummy Gmail accounts. Okay, and we can try to log in with our phone or laptop, then we can try to post these reviews generated review comment on our businesses. Okay, so if you guys want this Gmail ID, then you guys have to share the comment, then I can going to save with you guys. Okay, and also you guys have to understand, if you want to see the our GMB listing, if you want to see this dashboard, so you guys can see there where we have added a date, GMB IDs, GMB locations, review comment. If these reviews comment are posted are the approved, then you guys can see we have marked a green are the approval status, and you guys can see there are we have mentioned our targeted keywords. Okay, so I hope you guys have I hope you guys your doubt should be going to clear now. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section, where you guys can found easily all the things. Okay, and for the last, I wanted to request you with a one thing, guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys can understand and you guys can make something helpful from your side. Okay, so okay, bye bye, take care.